put a lot of faith in you to know that you're not going to go tell nobody. It stays here. See if we can get rid of him once. What the hell was that?
No, you pat him on the back, Naomi.
That's one of my goodness. It was a microphone. I got it.